Hello everybody, welcome back to CDJ Rips. Today we've got a Hot Wheels mainline J case. We've got 99 MJ Super Quantity. Let's crack it. Rip into it, hopefully find a super. Now, I think, what's the treasure hunt for this case? Is it the Chevrolet for this case? We've got, the El Viento. We've got the Decidedly Go and the Dodge Red Express truck for the first three. Then we've got the Maserati. We've got the Austin minivan and the Batman and Robin Batmobile. I'm losing it. Then we've got Tracked Wagon, the Nerve Hammer, and another Austin minivan. Then we've got the Supercharged, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, the Hypervan, and last case is Super, the Mustang Funny Car, which we got in our previous case opening. Then we've got the Cone Shaker, the Dragon Wagon, and the Vespa SS Super. We've got the Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC AMG, the Mattel Dreammobile, and the Toyota GR86 Cup Car. Then we've got the Renault, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and the Drift and Brake. Then we've got the Haulerback, the High Roller, and the Disney Steamboat. '67 Mustang, best car in the case, 100%. Draftinator, and the 2019 Chevy Silverado. We've got another Tracked Wagon. We've got the Honda Moto Compo and a dud Corvette Gasser. We've got the Dodge Hemi Challenger, the Ford F-150 Raptor, and another Honda Moto Compo. I'm stuttering over here. This is not good. We've got the Mid-Mill, the Batman and Robin Batmobile, and another Supercharged. All, I think, have been shown in this video already. That was only the first layer. Now we're on to the bottom layer. Hopefully we find a super, because I think they're in the bottom layer usually. And we've got another Dodge, a Hakko Type D, and another H-Case Mustang dud. Got the Dodge Viper, Batman and Robin Batmobile for the third time, and a Cruise and Bruiser. I don't know how we've managed to pull 3 Batmobiles, but I don't know. Bit weird. Case doesn't look like it's been double taped. Got the Dodge Hemi again, the Haulerback, and the RX-7. We've got a Shinger 221C, another Dodge Viper, and a Ford GT. Second best car in my opinion. We've got the Lotus Type 49, the Hot Wings. What is that? The treasure hunt? and a BMW. Not the treasure hunt. Got another Draftinator, another Decidedly Go, and a Lamborghini Miura SV. Then we've got the Land Rover, another Punk Rod, and a Chevy Silverado again. Oh, never mind, I take it back. Cupra DeRacer, Mercedes Formula 1 car, and a Hot Wheels 50 concept. Go Mercedes. I'm building up an army of those things. And we've got another Ferrari SF90 Stradale, Disney Steamboat, and Cupra DeRacer. Then we've got the Vanster, another Punk Rod, and another Ford GT. Then we've got the Porsche 911 Carrera Clip Car, the Mazda RX-7 again, and a Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Murray. Sorry, I'm tired. Not Gordon Ramsay. Don't sue me. Last three. The Hot Wheels 50 concept, the Hot Wings, and another Renault. No super for this J case. No, not even a regular treasure hunt. No. Well, that's the end of it. We've got the top three hits of the set. We've got the Ferraris and the Mercedes AMG Formula 1 car. Got the Dud Mustang. And if I can find it, it really shouldn't have been so early. There it is. The Gasser. Dud Gasser. Thank you guys for watching. Next time we get a case, we'll be sure to find the super. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you get all the videos coming out soon. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.